See the finish up there, butting up to your cornice. A lot of people are having it these days. It saves a lot of expense. Hey yo, this is Chriso. How you doing? No, it does. I'm only fooling around. It does save a lot of expense when you butt up to the cornice. It comes out all right. You start taking your cornice down and square set or replace your cornice. You go into quite a bit of expense doing that sort of thing. With a white tile, it even camouflages even more. This grout, which is called misty grey, it so goes with a lot of people's tiles. A lot of bathrooms that I do, I use misty grey a lot. It just goes. You know, that blends bloody beautifully. Ties in nicely. I'll give you a good look at this when I'm grouting it. My envelope shower. I love them, eh? A little bit more work, but oh, way nicer. Pop it back into my holster. A pair of pliers. I carry them with me all the time, and if I get a bit of plastic like that sticking out, it's history. I haven't seen the cover plate, so these days it's always safe to cut as accurate as you can. Gone has the day that you just cut a square hole. Nah, because the cover plates are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. I haven't sighted the cover plate. Those two tiles there, I'll get this grouted and then I'll cut them and put them in. People might say, oh, why aren't you using epoxy? Well, I don't very often. I don't, well, even less than that, less than often. I hardly use it at all. Why? Because people don't push for it. And I don't push for epoxy. come back to you in a sec. I'll get on my bucket and do along that top in a sec. I'll come back to you when I'm wiping off. Yo, ciao.
Hey mate, how you doing?
Bloody beautiful, eh? The old wash boy. Tomorrow I'll be putting in the vanity and the overhead cabinet tomorrow, so stay tuned, people. It's all a case of when you're fitting a cabinet, a vanity and overhead cupboards, you measure twice, cut once, because you don't want to go drilling the holes in the wrong place. I have seen vanities put in and gone, holy shit. The bloke doing that must have been on drugs, because the holes were in the wrong place. Took him 2 goes at it. Shit, it looked terrible. Because that sort of thing you can't cover up. God, this grout just complements these tiles. Bit of glue there. Right, on to the next. I'll move those doors across. Once they get an exhaust fan in here, it'll be brilliant. Be a nice bathroom. It's a good size, not a bad size. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon. This toilet now. I went up that wall because the plumber had to move the pipe for a new toilet. And it had to be patched. So rather than paint it and fluff about, it's just it's easier, quicker, just to slap a couple of tiles up. The rest is just your skirting. The skirting I've made 250 high, 250 mil high. The old skirting was about 200 roughly. So you just cover the old where it was, and you're laughing, mate. And then what you do is you paint down to that edge and then just wipe it off with a cloth. If you slop over it, and it just finishes it off. Nice. What's today? Tuesday. The plumber is coming in Thursday. I've booked him in to come in and finish off Thursday. So in will go the toilet, the new toilet. I'll be starting on the ensuite next week. This shower will be up and running by probably Monday, or I'm not sure when Chriso, the screen guy, comes in. Eh?
It's coming Saturday.
Oh, he's coming Saturday. So there you go. He doesn't muck around, and oh, that's actually a pencil mark. So it'll be done Saturday. They'll be showering in their shower, using it by Sunday morning, which is good. Good one. I like it when a plan comes together. Saturday.
That was really good, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, so you'll be able to use it, use the shower